Imagine yourself in this 2007 Holden Commodore.
This well-presented vehicle could be just right for you, with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors.
You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes.
And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.